In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and respond to a restriction notice on your eBay account. If your account has been restricted, the most important thing to do is stay calm and carefully follow the instructions eBay provides inside your account. In many cases, eBay will explain exactly what needs to be done before your account can be reviewed or restored, so the goal here is to find that official message and respond to it correctly. Start by going to ebay.com and logging into your restricted account. Make sure you are signing into the correct account, since restriction notices and required actions are tied to that specific profile. Once you are logged in, give the page a moment to fully load so you can access your notifications and account options without missing anything. Next, look for the bell icon, usually near the top of the page, and click it to open your eBay messages. This is where eBay typically sends official notices about account issues, including restrictions, verification requests, or account reviews. Open the message related to the restriction and read it carefully from beginning to end. Don't rush through this part because the exact wording matters, and it will usually tell you why the restriction happened and what eBay expects you to do next. As you read the notice, pay close attention to the specific actions required. For example, eBay may ask you to upload identity verification documents, confirm certain account details, or pay any outstanding fees. Follow the instructions exactly as they appear in the message. It's a good idea to double check what is being requested before submitting anything, so you can avoid delays caused by incomplete or incorrect information. When you're ready, submit the requested documentation directly through the link provided inside the official eBay message. Using the link in that message is important because it takes you to the correct, secure location associated with your account case. Upload only what is requested, make sure the files are clear and readable, and review everything before sending it in. After submission, watch for any confirmation message or update so you know your documents were received. If you need to appeal the restriction or you're unsure about the notice, click Help and Contact at the top of the page to launch a live chat. This gives you a direct way to speak with eBay support and ask for clarification. Be clear, polite, and specific about the restriction when explaining your situation. That's how to check your eBay restriction notice, submit the required information, and contact support if you need